Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we present with step-by-step tutorial on how to draw my melody Sanrio. So, stick around because we've got you covered. Alright, let's get started on sketching my melody with a pencil. Start by sketching an oval for my melody's head and then the ears and body. After completing the sketch, start thickening the image with a thin black marker. Start from my melody's eyes and head. The ribbon. Ears. The body, hands and feet. Now erase the sketch with a pencil eraser. After that, continue by coloring the picture. In this section, I will speed up the coloring process. You can coloring the picture with your favorite colors and creativity. You can add shadows to create a 3D impression in the image. After finished coloring, you can thicken the outline of the image with a thick black marker. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to this channel for more adorable tutorials like this. Let's spread some creativity and fun together. To wrap things up, let's recap the steps we took to draw my melody Sanrio. Remember, drawing should be fun and creative, so don't be afraid to add your personal touch to make it truly yours. Please like and subscribe.